Welcome to Healthy Treatments channel, your path to health. Hello everyone. Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more confident and full of energy. Shedding excess belly fat isn't just about appearance. It's about reclaiming your health, boosting your metabolism, and reducing your risk of serious diseases. If you're ready to transform your body and health naturally, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into what causes belly fat and why it's more than just extra weight. Science-backed strategies to burn fat effectively and keep it off. Powerful foods, drinks, and lifestyle habits that melt belly fat naturally. The best herbs and supplements to speed up fat loss safely. And stay with us until the end, because we're also giving away 2 powerful fat-burning recipes. Easy to make, delicious, and designed to kickstart your metabolism. These proven tips will help you achieve a leaner waist, a healthier body, and lasting results. Ready to start your journey? Let's dive in. What causes belly fat? The hidden science behind stubborn fat. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, isn't just about fitting into smaller jeans. It's one of the most dangerous types of fat in the body. Unlike subcutaneous fat, the fat under your skin, visceral fat wraps around your organs, increasing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. The main causes of belly fat include poor diet. Too much sugar, processed foods, and refined carbs spike insulin and lead to fat accumulation. High cortisol or stress hormone. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, which promotes fat storage, especially in the belly. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of movement slows metabolism, making fat loss harder. Hormonal imbalances, insulin resistance, thyroid issues, or low testosterone can all contribute to stubborn belly fat. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones, leading to cravings and overeating. Excess alcohol. Alcohol increases fat storage around the abdomen and affects metabolism. But don't worry. The good news is that belly fat is reversible. With the right lifestyle changes, you can melt away fat naturally and safely. Science-backed strategies to lose belly fat fast focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Whole foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and promote fat burning. Best foods: leafy greens, lean proteins, nuts, seeds, avocados, and berries. Increase protein intake. Protein keeps you full, preserves muscle, and increases metabolism. It also lowers ghrelin, the hunger hormone, helping you eat less naturally. Best sources: eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, lentils, and Greek yogurt. Cut sugar and refined carbs. Sugar spikes insulin, leading to fat storage. Cutting back helps regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, making fat loss easier. Best swaps: replace white bread, pasta, and sweets with quinoa, brown rice, and whole grains. Incorporate intermittent fasting. It helps burn fat more efficiently by allowing insulin levels to drop, promoting fat burning for energy. Studies show it reduces belly fat significantly when done consistently. Try 16-8 fasting. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. Boost metabolism with high-intensity interval training workouts. High-intensity interval training burns fat fast, increases muscle tone, and boosts metabolism for hours after exercise. 20 to 30 minutes of high-intensity interval training 3 to 4 times per week, combining cardio and strength exercises. Prioritize sleep and reduce stress. Poor sleep and high stress trigger cortisol production, leading to weight gain, especially around the belly. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night and practice stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Herbs to burn belly fat naturally. Green tea extract. Packed with catechins, green tea boosts metabolism and enhances fat oxidation. Studies show that epigallocatechin gallate in green tea increases fat burning, especially during exercise. Turmeric. Curcumin. Its active compound has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, both of which support fat loss. Research suggests curcumin supplementation can enhance weight loss efforts. Ginger increases thermogenesis or heat production and calorie burn while aiding digestion. A study found that ginger consumption enhances fat metabolism and reduces body weight. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, curb cravings, and prevent fat storage. Research indicates that cinnamon supplementation improves insulin sensitivity and promotes weight loss. Apple cider vinegar lowers insulin levels, suppresses appetite, and improves digestion. A study found that daily vinegar intake reduced belly fat and body weight. Cumin. Rich in antioxidants, cumin enhances fat loss, particularly around the midsection. A clinical trial found that cumin consumption significantly reduced body fat and BMI. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which boosts metabolism, increases calorie burn, and reduces appetite. Studies show that capsaicin consumption can enhance fat oxidation. Fenugreek helps control appetite and improves insulin function, supporting fat loss. A study showed that fenugreek fiber supplementation significantly reduced overall calorie intake. Try a fat-burning morning tonic by mixing warm lemon water with ginger, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to kickstart your metabolism and digestion. Supplements that promote fat burning and weight loss. B-complex vitamins, essential for converting food into energy and regulating metabolism. Studies show that B vitamins play a critical role in fat metabolism and energy production. Vitamin D, low levels are linked to increased fat accumulation. Research suggests that vitamin D supplementation can aid weight loss, especially in those deficient. Iron, essential for oxygen transport and energy production. Studies show that iron deficiency can slow metabolism and lead to fatigue, reducing physical activity. Magnesium supports blood sugar regulation, reduces stress-related weight gain, and improves sleep, all of which contribute to fat loss. Green tea extract, a powerful natural fat burner. Studies confirm that green tea extract can significantly increase fat oxidation and thermogenesis. L-carnitine helps transport fatty acids into cells to be burned as energy. Research suggests L-carnitine supplementation can support weight loss when combined with exercise. CLA or conjugated linoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps reduce body fat while preserving lean muscle mass. Clinical trials have shown CLA supplementation aids in long-term fat loss. Now I'm going to tell you how to make a super easy fat-burning drink. Lemon ginger detox tea. It's refreshing and packed with health benefits. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup warm water, 1 inch fresh ginger, grated, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon cinnamon. First, heat up your water until it's warm but not boiling. Next, add the grated ginger, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and cinnamon to the warm water. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. And that's it. For the best results, sip on this detox tea first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Enjoy your healthy start to the day. This drink supports digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes belly fat loss naturally. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. What's your biggest challenge with losing belly fat? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every step you take toward your health brings you closer to a vibrant, energetic life. Your path to health is just one step away.